I'm a big fan of tube technology mascara, and this is the UltraVolume from BLINC. One of the greatest benefits of tube technology mascara is that it's oil-proof, which is unlike waterproof mascara. It doesn't smudge on my oily skin or against any of the oil-based cosmetics or skincare products that I use. BLINC makes a variety of different tubing mascaras. This UltraVolume is my favorite for a day when I want to feel a little bit more glammed up. I also love the removal process of this mascara because it's no mess. Here I'm applying oil just to demonstrate that oil and makeup remover won't budge the mascara. All you need is a little bit of water and some light pressure. This is when you can really see that tubing technology because the mascara literally rolls off like little tubes and there's no mess. There's no dye on my skin or on my towel. When I think about how often I'm standing in the rain or swimming in mascara, it's basically never, so it's oil-proof tube mascara for me.